Hey guys, what's up? Mao here for Unbox Everything, and you can see right here, Happy Meal Toys, July to August 2019. These are the Happy Meal Toys from McDonald's, and we're just gonna get right into it. It is Peanuts in cooperation with NASA. So legit in cooperation with NASA, so like NASA knows about these toys. Pretty cool. So here I'm gonna be unboxing these, giving you a quick review and a close look to see if you would want to pick up any of these or all of these. So let's get into the unboxing right now. So the first one we're gonna be unboxing, get rid of that. First one we're gonna be unboxing is Dance Mover Snoopy. So these are all Snoopy figures, and if you remember, McDonald's used to have a really nice Snoopy toy line. You could collect a whole lot of Snoopies from different countries. I loved that one when I was a kid. But now these are the Snoopy ones. So here is the Dance Mover Snoopy. So it's actually a really nice paint job on the face, because I like the mouth where it's that squiggly kind of smile that the Peanuts characters have, and he's really happy. And yeah, so basically from what I can see is that you're just gonna turn the dial, and then, okay, he's gonna walk now. Pretty sure he's gonna walk. 3, 2, 1, and walk. Oh, whoa, what? He's walking backwards. What? Okay, cool. So that is, he's a dance mover. Okay, I get it. So he is moonwalking. Very clever. He's moonwalking. So he walks backwards, which is pretty cool, because I was expecting him just to walk forward and that would just be, you know, a standard walking toy. But he moonwalks and goes backwards because he is moonwalking on the moon for NASA. Yeah. Alright, number 2. What are we going to be opening up? This one is called Takeoff Launcher. So this one comes in 2 parts. There is Snoopy in this space rocket thingy, and then it also comes with Woodstock. So there's Woodstock on the front of the rocket, and again it says NASA over there. This is the only figure in this toy line that comes with another character. All of them are just Snoopy, but this one comes with Woodstock. So I think that this one's a pretty fun one to pick up. You know, you got 2 characters in this toy set. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna put the front of the rocket in like that. Okay, so what it says is I'm gonna put it down, and then I'm gonna pull it backwards, and then I actually don't know what's gonna happen. He's gonna move forward and the rocket will come off. Let's see. Whoop. See. Okay, so this table's kind of small. To demo it, I'm gonna put it on the floor and then I'll show you how it works. Alright, so that was Takeoff Launcher, Snoopy, and Woodstock. Next one we're gonna be opening up is the Space Swirler. Okay, so look here. This is actually one of the smallest Snoopy figures. Really cute, and he's got this scarf, and it looks like a sort of Beyblade spinning top kind of thing. These go down. I don't know why. But yeah, you just let these hang down on the sides, and then you're gonna make him spin, and they should like go up straight. So let's try it out. A lot of these use a table or a surface, so let's try it out. Hey, look at that. Pretty cool. Alright, so that is Snoopy's Space Swirler. Actually really fun. I miss these kind of toys. McDonald's used to always make tops like these, but they haven't in a while, so I'm really glad to see them back. And yeah, this one's really nice because the sides just kind of go up. Anyway, yep, let's move on to the next one. Next one is Space Buggy. Here is Space Buggy Snoopy. This one's really nice. I really like it. He's got a different expression. His mouth is kind of open. You can see his teeth. And again, he's got that scarf. So, really nice. He's reaching out for this. What is this? I don't know. Anyway, it's a space buggy. It's got the NASA logo at the back. You pull it back and then he's just gonna go forward. So let's just try it out. Yep. So that is Space Buggy, Snoopy, and really simple. So these are 4 in the toy collection. There are actually 8 to collect. This is number 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the toy line. The other ones that you can collect, there is the parachute with the space capsule. There is the helicopter thingy that when you pull the thing out, it's gonna fly up. There is the paper airplane. Well, the wings are made of paper. And then there is the telescope. So those are the other 4 that you can pick up, but I picked up these 4 because I feel like these are the ones that are most worth your money. You know, they're actually big and they are plastic, not like the other ones that have paper, and the Snoopy figure is just really small or a flat piece of plastic with Snoopy printed on it. These ones are actually figures of Snoopy that, you know, you can actually really play around with. So I think that these are probably the 4 that kids would most likely want to pick up. So hey, that was just my really quick review and unboxing of the Peanuts in cooperation with NASA Happy Meal toys. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing the other 4, and let me know which ones you would want to pick up for yourself. So if you know someone who likes Peanuts or Snoopy, share this video and let them know as well. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, I make weekly videos just like this, so be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, it does help my channel. And also, if you want to watch last month's Happy Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here, or if you want to see another unboxing that you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.